In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 side hustle you can start using in 2024 to make $500 every single day. And also, I'll be showing you a roadmap to which you can get started immediately. So if you're a student, you're a stay-at-home parent, or someone who is looking for a side gig to supplement your 9 to 5 job, this video is actually for you. You can do the side hustle from the comfort of your home using your cell phone. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Even with some of these hustles I'm about to share with you, you don't need any money to invest to get started. All that is needed is your mobile phone and little of your time. This is very easy and it is paying. So I'll be sharing with you all the information that you need to get started and also direct you to the platform where you can get started for absolutely free. If you're just coming across my channel, my name is Chidi. I'm a Make Money Online enthusiast and I'm very passionate about helping you make money on the online space. On this channel, I talk about available grants, I talk about possible ways of making money online. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, I would love you to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn your notification bell on and make sure it is on the all option so that YouTube notifies you whenever I upload valuable videos that can help you make money on the online space. And you know what? I would love to see your comments right in the comment section. Please share your thoughts, whatever it is you have to say, your questions. Please drop them right in the comment section. I would love to see all of that. Your comment helps others discover this channel. Please do that for me. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into side hustle number 5. Now, the easiest side hustle you can do in 2024 is apps and website referral. Okay, I'm talking about the apps you use on a daily basis. It could be the app you use in editing video, it could be the app you use in your graphic design, whatever field it is that you're in. Some of these apps and websites has referral program. And how do you know if they have referral program? Is by using Google. You head over to the search bar and type the website it is that you're using to check if they have referral program. Most of this referral program does not require anything from you. All that is needed for you to do is to sign up and then you start promoting their apps. And then by so doing, you make money from them. And how they pay you depends on the platform that you have signed up with. The good thing about this method of making money online is that you do this according to your own pace and your capacity. This is one of the easiest way of making money online and it works. I myself have earned some commission from most of this platform I share here. Just make sure that it is a platform that you believe in and they are legit. Second side hustle you can start in 2024 is print on demand. This is an awesome opportunity for a lot of people out there. Print on demand is a process of selling t-shirts, mugs, cups, different items without actually owning any of them. You will not be handling the shipping. Everything will be done by the supplier. All you need to do is to design a product and you put it in your online store. And even if you don't have an online store, you have a Facebook account, you have an Instagram account, turn it to your online store instead of posting pictures there that does not make you any money. So once your customer orders for this product, your print and demand company will print and ship those products to your customers and you earn some money and keep your profits. How it works is that you sign up on print and demand platform and there are so many of them that you can use. You simply sign up and upload your designs and those designs will be placed automatically on different merchandise on that platform. You can start print on demand without any capital. TeePublic is a very good platform you can start with if you are a very creative person. And I will be pasting links to some of this print on demand platform right in the description so you can access them easily. The third on my list is freelancing. This is an awesome way you can make money online. It can be a side hustle for you this year 2024. Freelancing is a way you can connect to people across the globe. You may have acquired some skills, or rather you can learn some skill and make money from it. You can find some of those jobs on Fiverr. Fiverr is a very good freelancing platform where you can earn a lot of money for yourself without even spending money to deliver people's job. Some of the freelancing job that you can start are video editing, graphic design, photo editing, or anything that has to do with content creation because these are the things that are on the high demand. You can also check out other freelancing platforms like Upwork, LinkedIn, Fiverr, and many more for your freelancing work. And the fourth on my list is TikTok UGC. So if you're a student or someone who is social, I want to believe that you have a TikTok account. Or if you're not familiar with TikTok, you can sign up and start creating TikTok UGC. TikTok UGC is user generated content. This is a process whereby you promote different brands and products. You can do this by making video telling people about brands and products. From my research, I found out that students are actually making $2,000 on a monthly basis just from creating user generated content. And to tell you that this is on a high demand, listen to this video to find out for yourself.
User-generated content creator, also known as UGC creator, based in Nigeria, we need you. Right here at Social Butterfly Haven, we work with various beauty brands across skincare, natural hair care, and makeup niches. And we need user-generated content creators to create user-generated content for these clients of ours. And of course, you will be paid for it. You don't need to have tons of followers.
You can start by charging $80 per video, $60 per video, and you build your way up as you're building your profile. So if this interests you, you shouldn't be afraid to approach brands that align with what you love doing or what you love to do. You can approach them to create content for them. And last on my list is user testing. User testing is simply testing out websites and application or software for companies. Companies always want to find out if the application or websites they have designed serves the purpose of designing them. And they want to find out how they can improve this software or applications they have designed. So they are willing to pay people to test this website for them. To get started with testing app, you simply sign up on their platforms. You tell them the country where you're from. You tell them the phone you can use. And whenever there is a test that aligns with your profile, they will send it to you. You may record yourself even while testing these apps and websites to tell them how you feel about the application and also where they need some improvements. Some of these testing companies can pay $500 per test that you take. So it depends on the platform that you're testing for. Links to some of the platform where you can start will be placed in the description box so you can go check them out. So these are my list of side hustle that you can start online for 2024. You can go check them out. It is very easy and payable. All right. So if you got value, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so. Until my next video, I love you.